Hey guys, Beasty Adventures here as usual. We are today at the Just Jimny Jamboree. Came to hang out a bit with all the sponsors, as you can see behind me. Opposite Lock, Tough Dog, Takla. Hey guys, Beasty Adventures. As you can see, we're at the Power Plus stand. As you know, they do sponsor Beasty Adventures, and I cannot say anything bad about their product but good reviews. The fuel consumption and the extra little zuzz it gives to the Jimneys is just great. Dawie's with me today. He's the owner, and he's going to give you a little bit of information.
Thanks guys, thanks for making a turn here at our stand. It's always nice being at these Jimny events. So Power Plus is a company I started about 2 years back. Why? Many of the newer vehicles has what we call a drive-by-wire system. So what happens is the engineers factor in a certain lag. So what the Power Plus in essence does, it removes the throttle lag, gives you better response. That in return gives you better consumption in many cases. If you're going off-road, especially with the Jimneys, where you want slightly more traction, you can also set down the throttle response to enable your tire to really get traction whilst you navigating an obstacle. Everything's exact plug and play, no splicing of the wires, nothing. You plug it in, you plug it out, and there you go. And it comes with a lifetime warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not fully satisfied.
Guys, this is the best product I can recommend for a Jimny if you don't want to go overboard with it. I stand testament. You've all seen Beasty. With the throttle controller, my average is between 13.3 and 13.2, and I just couldn't be happier. Thank you, Dawie.
Thank you guys. Have a good one.
Hey guys, Beasty Adventures here. I'm here with Ryno from Front Runner and Rolling Ryno. As you've seen, Beasty parks at Front Runner a lot. I'm sure you've seen her there. She is sponsored by Front Runner, and they recently added my favorite accessory, which is the ladder. Yeah, and Ryno is actually driving Beasty today, which makes me feel a little bit more comfortable so I can be behind the camera. Hello Ryno.
Hi Courtney.
How are you?
I'm great, thank you.
Say a little bit about the products.
Well, as you can see, we've got the front runner roof rack on the top, and then on the rear here, zooming later on, is one of our most popular products lately, and that is the rear ladder. And I just want to mention, these two products are both Suzuki approved.
Yes, they are. And as you know, Front Runner has actually done most of the fitments on Beasty.